the printed transcript of time lapse. So kung primero mag-implement natin ang biometrics, kung December, ang inumbra natin, gina-print natin ang time lapse, then we transfer sa official DDR. But this time, we have a software that interprets the time lapse in the form of official DDR to the civil service, where the time lapse are reflected and the employees are only to sign for submission to our accounting office. I believe this will improve efficiency in our school, especially accuracy in recording the time lapse of our employees. You know, my dear friends, when this principal saw our new DTR, he was amazed when he realized that the program was being locally developed. I developed it by myself. I hope its full implementation will give good harvest in terms of learning outcomes, which I assure you, my dear Nausians, would fall for fulfillment by all of us. Ano ba lang ang barachada natin? Tanan, kung makita natin ang performance ng mga bata nagsaka, nag-improve ang non-performance, nag-improve ang dropout rate, naglaba ang failing rate, all indicators improve. Sunod kang kada empleyado ng Northern Ontario Vocational School. What happened during my term? I can express how much I enjoyed the 189 days of being an OIC. How much growth and development I earned during these 189 days. And I know I still have a lot of space for improvement in this reputable institution. My team was once